Machiegni nyakoro mgajwang chendo en migago adhi mbele gi weche manyatiri nyake Senet kama Gavana ma Samburu County Jonathan Lati Leleit ntiere kanyo nyim komiti marangwecho motenre kod ng'iewo e yor mbui kata e-procurement wadhi achiel kachiel winje kaka weche go dhi mbele nyakoro mgajwang.
Delays of even implementation of budgets, but I know eventually people will agree to use the e-procurement. And I support the e-procurement because when you see, as indicated by, as pointed out by Senator Chute, some of the issues that the e-procurement is coming to solve is what is bringing us here to point out on projects as we are pointing out here. So, Chair, you will give us time and any other time maybe for the through an invitation to go through this item number 4. Thank you.
Thank you, Governor and members. I think I want to bring then this meeting to a close, but before I do that, 3 things. One, I'll be making a comment on it. That's okay.
It is very important that when we appear here, we appear with everybody who is involved. So in question number 4, I would ask that if that question is to be answered substantially, we should have the CEO of the Equalization Fund. Because the Equalization Fund actually rests with the CEO. He is the one that procures most of the things. All we get is they send us money, we pay what they have approved. So most of the approvals and everything are done here in the Treasury. So it is better that sometimes we combine the two so that when we get stuck somewhere, you can give a more detailed answer.
Point noted. I think it's a good suggestion. So the next time we are going to be having a conversation around the utilization of our equalization fund, then our Secretariat take note that all the stakeholders be invited in that meeting. The second thing I was going to be saying is that, Governor, we are going to sit and deliberate as a committee and agree on a physical visit to Samburu to conclude on the statement by Senator Lelegwe. And then once we agree on that date, we shall be doing the honorable thing. We'll be giving you sufficient notice on when we are coming. We will sample the roads that we want to come and inspect. And then we will conclude this statement. Thirdly, everybody has spoken about e-procurement. I will just say 2 things. One, I hear almost everybody saying the intentions were good. I don't know. I don't know how we would know that they were good, but hoping that they were. Good intentions don't always yield positive results. When you listen to what the governor is saying about Samburu and those children that can't access education, talking to them about e-procurement and a new system is like playing a guitar to a goat. What exactly are you telling them? I mean, they are supposed to be in school. They were in school last term. What has happened? Why can we go to school? So, and Governor, this is for you and your colleagues in the COG. We must all work together and do the most natural thing. Speak truth to the national government. The national government cannot dictate how county governments are run. Those are 2 levels of government. The national government cannot pretend that they can allocate any money to any county. They can't. The money that goes to county is allocated to counties by parliament, just as the money that goes to the national government is allocated to them by parliament. So this thing about national government thinking that they can dictate anything, including systems of governance to county governments, is something that will only come to an end if all stakeholders in devolution then speak truth to the national government. So lastly, you know, we have agreed, CC, through the governor, you will provide us with the list of the WDF projects. You will also provide us with the list of pending bills projects. I mean, the pending bills as they have been paid, and we'll give you 7 days to do that. Within 7 days, please provide that list to the clerk. I think, members, I want to thank you. Secretariat, thank you. Thank you, stakeholders, Governor, and your team. And with those many remarks, I declare the meeting officially adjourned. Thank you.